Nou ja, en hier kry jy die manne. Môre Jacques, gaan dit goed met jou? Lekker om te sien, maat. Yes, like. Ek het nie gedink ek gaan julle kry nie, maar ek is bly. So.
Altyd.
En julle is al hier van hoe laat af?
3 uur.
Goeie bliksem.
3 uur vanoggend.
En daar is Mr. D. Ek gaan nou vir hom ook môre sê. Maar dis die beach is nog nie te besig nie. Ek is baie bly om dit te hoor. Maar Jacques, alles van die beste vir julle.
Selfde.
En ek gaan net maar weer 'n draai kom maak en dan wil ek sien hoe lê daai ding die helfte van die bakkie vol.
Ek hoop ook so.
Ons maak so. Dankie Jacques. Mooi dag. Bye. Kom ons kyk of Mr. D kan cast. Desmond, laat loop hom. Sorry vir daai vinger in die pad. Finger on the screen. How clever is that? Okay, let's go. Don't be shy. Don't be shy now. And that's the move. I think Jacques just took his line out of the way a bit. I'll be leaving now and continue a bit further down the beach to see whether I can find a spot for myself. I don't interfere with the other guys. Otherwise I'll be coming back here. Mr. D, morning. What's up?
Hey, morning.
How are you?
Ja, het gaan alright, en nie so met julle.
Lekker man. Ek sien jy het 'n mooi kaas gemaak nou.
Ja,
Het jy enige buite gehad?
Wel, dit is my eerste kaas vir die dag.
Ernstig?
Eerste een by die oggend.
Blikskorrel. Okay. Nou wel, dan seker my te ver agter julle nie.
Nee, ek het seker so halfuur terug hier aangekom. Ek het eers daar met vlamme 'n lang stuk tussen dit self.
Okay.
Dus soek ek eers hier vir Jacques hulle. Ek het daar gaan draai onder by die pyp.
Is hulle ver hier af?
Nee,
Vlam hulle.
nee, ek sien baie serie af.
Okay. Ek gaan miskien net gou vir hulle hallo sê en dan gaan ek maar terugkom en die iewers gooi.
Okay.
Sien julle net ou.
Right.
Sien ons Mr. D. En dit is nou net vir Vlam ook gekry langs die water. Hy's besig met sy kompetisie. Just say a quick hello and then I'm gonna let him be to do his own thing. Môre Vlam.
Yes.
Gaan dit goed?
Alright, maar dan loop ek nou nie hulle almal vas vandag.
Jy lyk goed hoor.
Ja.
Baie professioneel vandag.
Ja.
Beautiful. Ja. Hoe lyk dit dan hierso? Hy koffie lyk hom lekker, geniet hom.
Nee, die koffie is gemors, maar hy's ijskoud.
Ag, nee, yskoffie.
Ja.
Hoe lyk dit? Het jy al iets gehad al?
2 lekker pools gehad, maar dit is met bombkaas.
My word.
En nou is dit mors dood.
Beach is a bit empty. Is nie baie mense nie, né?
Nee, hy is baie dood.
Maar ek dink hy gaan optel hier na 12 uur toe.
Ja, ons hoop so, maar ek kan hy gaan gou vinnig check wat die klapkaptein sê waar ons moet skuif.
Okay.
Dat ons mag dalk op hierdie stadium na die venster skuif van die strand.
Alright, fantasties.
Ja.
Ek hoop julle kry iets daar Vlam. Mag julle 'n geseënde dag hê en julle ouens moet veilig wees.
Jebel.
Bring die grootes uit. Sien ons bra.
George, man.
Goed gaan op Ellie. Okay, let's go for the first cast. Let's hope for the best. Okay, guys, we're gonna go for the second cast. Get Mullety op 'n klein stukkie. Let's see what it does. Nothing so far on the other rod behind me, but let's see how far we can go with this one. All right. Everything is quiet so far. I didn't see anything come out yet. Well, apart from one small shark on that side. But the guys next to me here, look at my right side here, nothing going on. Dead quiet. Don't seem to have any bites here. But yeah, it still beats a day in the office, so let's see. Okay, I think I'm going to bring in this rod now and remove the dingle dangle and put on a double hook trace and see if there's any difference in the bites or in the action in the water. Hopefully it does make a difference. Bear with me. Okay, I think I'm going to bring in this rod now and remove the dingle dangle and put on a double hook trace and see if there's any difference in the bites or in the action in the water. Hopefully it does make a difference. Bear with me. Put a bit larger bait, well, not too large, but it's a whole piece of mullet that I will be putting in the water with a float at the top, the grab sinker, and this is a 5/0 circle hook. So let's see what we can come up with. It's just hook it back in on the sinker like that, and there we go. Okay, that whole mullet is in the water, or that whole small mullet. So let's hope something grabs it. Maybe, I doubt whether a cop will take it, but maybe a shark. So I can, yeah, maybe I can go for sharks today rather. So let's see. Alright, good one. Okay, let's take you guys down to the water. Well, a bit closer to the water anyways. Can't leave you on the back of the bucket all day. You can see there's a pool in the water. The water is a bit strong today. Not ideal for cod, but not impossible either. I don't think so. And there's the other rod. Sometimes hard to tell whether it's something that's nibbling on the bait or whether it is the current that's causing the pull on the rod. But yeah. Dead quiet by the other guys as well. Guys enjoying themselves with the motorbikes. Lekker. Make the line a bit tighter. Okay, nou kan jullie hier agter op die bakkie sit en dan kan jullie vir my 'n bietjie wag. Guys, here we have a nice chokka and sardine bait. Put this one in the water. It's a hook. See, those two. Give some action in the water. Let's see what that is. Okay. Let's go. great presentation. Was not a good choice at all. Not one bite on it, not one double. I'll take it off and put on some sardine and some choco on here as well. How's it? See, I did it wrong. Ik heb heel verkeerd gedaan ook. Die ding zal nooit werken. Hey. Guys, sorry to say, this day didn't produce anything except that I'm cold. The wind is blowing now, and the watercolor is good. That's about the only good thing, the color of the water. Other than nothing, the water is much too strong, and yeah, it was not a good day at all. I'm gonna pack up, gonna pull in this line now, and clean everything up. Gonna head back home. I'll rather start a fire this afternoon and have a beer or two. See you next time. So guys, as promised, we're gonna end up this day with a lekker braai. And I already had my beer. Now I'm gonna enjoy my buffelsfontein. Bederf yourself, jou Robert Bliksem.